Guys, welcome back to another video on Dahlia's Playroom, and today I have a very fun idea, and it kind of just popped in my mind. Basically, I'm going to be doing a random slime challenge. So I have bowl and spoon is a must, and I'm going to be picking out some random ingredients. So we can make a foam slime. These are going to be sort of like brightly colored. You can make a foam slime. Oh no, this is kind of spilling out, but Crunch Bomb and shaving cream slime or fluffy slime, and lastly just regular thick and glossy. But I think I'm gonna take that out because that's kind of boring. Or yeah, or I might take Crunch Bomb out. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. But those will be decorations at the top. So yeah, let's see what we got here. So I'm going to close my eyes and mix these around, and yeah, let's try this. So, I'm gonna close my eyes and go. And then I'm gonna pick a number 1, 2, or 3. Where's that other thing? Okay. Okay. So, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's hard. Okay, let's see. Trying to think. Let's do number 1. Oh, okay. So shaving cream. I've already done this before, but I've done it with clear glue, and so because I kind of feel bad for foamies, and I already done a video on the shaving cream, I'm going to do a big hybrid. So yeah, I guess this also, so I just decided to close my eyes for randomness, but let's get started. I'm so excited right now. So also I have these colors. I already use purple and pink and green a lot. So let's try one of these. I'm going to mix these around as well. Let's try and back these up. Okay, go. I think this one. Yes, okay. I kind of was hoping for blue because blue is a really pretty color and I really like blue a lot. So you warm colors can get moved out of the way. And we're gonna make a hybrid of slime. So I guess it's turning into a. So basically, let me explain this challenge before I get started. Got a little excited there. This basically is going to be everything I have, because I don't have that many ingredients. I don't have jelly cubes or snow or cloud snow or fake snow, I guess, instant snow I meant to say. So I can't really do a lot of stuff, but I can make this into a Crunch Bomb, a foam, and a shaving cream slime. So hope you guys don't mind, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna add a good amount of glue. Good amount. Okay, that should be enough. I haven't done this. I'm just going to mix the glue to make sure there's no chunks. Okay, good. So now I'm going to add the shaving cream. I'm sorry, I had to add more. I love shaving cream too. Oh my goodness, get off. Okay. And then I'm going to add the foam beads at the... I'll add some in now because, oh no, they're everywhere. I'll also add some at the end too. But, just gonna, some of them fell, but I'll pick them up with my slime. they're here on the table, so it's not that bad, but it's a little annoying. I think there's a hole in this bag, so that might have been why, but let's see if I can find it. Yeah, somewhere. The phone things fall out, but okay. Yeah, that was weird. Like, they're falling out, but I don't see any, like, holes in the bag. But just gonna add a little bit, because I'm gonna add some more later. Here's my little mixture I got going on. Ooh. And now I'm going to add the blue paint, because I do not like to get messy with paint, so I don't really want to mix it in, so yeah, we'll make it. I like this blue because it's like a turquoise, so let's mix a little mixture in. Oh, this blue is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's like a pastel. Yeah, I'm so happy I got. I was gonna choose one, but I'm happy I didn't. Wait, did I choose one? I don't know what I chose, but I think I chose two. I have like a memory loss. But yeah, gonna add some more beads in, because you can't see them that much. You can see them, but you can't really see them that much. So just gonna, because some fell out of the bag, so adding those in, and good. Okay, here it is. It looks so pretty, and I'm so happy with it. I'm like, and when I made the fluffy slime video, I did not have a lot of glue, but now I have so much glue. I'm so happy. I can't wait. Okay, should we activate? Yeah, let's activate. Ooh, wait. I have to add my scent and my sprinkles. So let's add some more. Ooh, that was a lot. Ooh, that was a lot. Let's mix these in as well. This is so pretty. Look at that. You can't really see it, but like, I can see it in real life. You can't really see it though on camera. Can you see them? Yeah, I think kind of. All right, now for the scent, I think, what's this one? Strawberry. Are these both strawberry? Did I accidentally get both strawberry? Okay. Should we do chocolate to make things really random? I don't think I'm gonna add the scent. I know lots of people get like annoyed usually when things don't have a scent, and I don't really mind. Don't kill me, please. But I think it's fine. I'll add like a vanilla scent when after the video. It's just I don't wanna. It's not in here, sadly. So let's just activate this. Ooh, it's clumping, it's clumping, it's clumping. Already, it's clumping. I'm so happy. Okay, let's keep adding. I think I'm going in with my hands. Oh my gosh. I actually really wanted to touch this. I know it like is so not ready, but I love slime. Let's keep this slime going. It seems like you guys have also been enjoying my slime videos. So, yeah. I hope you guys don't mind me doing so much slime, but that is probably going to be a focus you might see a lot on this channel. Because I love slime. Like, I love slime. And I could play with slime, like, all day if I could. But I can't because so this is really sticky, but oh no, okay, good. I have sort of a free hand. Don't look at the other side. It's gonna add a little bit more activator because it's a little sticky still. So yes, there we go. Okay, there we go. I love fluffy slime, and this might be a little bit blue because I might have gone a little crazy with that activator, but it spilled out. but this feels so nice. It's so jiggly, and I love it so much. It looks so nice. In person, you can see all this stuff way better, but like on camera, it's like you can't really see all this stuff in it. There's a lot in it, but you can't see it on camera. There we go. I think this came out so nice, guys. Let me know in the comments like what you think, and if you want me to do more of these. I know this was kind of like a mashup video, but hey, some videos are. And I still really enjoy making these videos for you, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my further videos. Love y'all, bye!